Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about yet another token that was listed on Coinbase recently and is also available on Coinbase custody. And this project is called Kryll or the KRL token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects that we cover in our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website kryll.io, that is KRYLL.io, in order to learn more about this project, right? So before we move on to Kryll, I want to talk to you guys about Gateio. So Gateio is a popular centralized exchange where you can buy cryptocurrencies way before they get listed on any major centralized exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase. This means you can get your hands on some of the low market cap gems that we cover in our channel right before they get listed on major centralized exchanges, which means they have an opportunity to do 10, 20, 50 or even 100x before anybody else can get their hands on it, right? And by using the link in the description to set up your Gateio account, you are not only getting an opportunity to buy cryptocurrencies before anybody can buy it, you're also getting an opportunity to get 30% off the trading fees rebate by using the link in the description below, right? And by using the link in the description to create your Gateio account, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. When it comes to the project Kryll, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page for this token. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So when it comes to Kryll, what is Kryll? Launched on the 7th of February 2018 by a team based in France, Kryll.io describes itself as a zero dev skill automated strategies building platform. So this project has been around since February of 2018 and was built by a team in France, and they call themselves Kryll. And this project basically describes itself as a zero developer skill automated strategies building platform. I know that's a mouthful, but what they're saying is you don't really need to have any developer skills in order to create automated strategies on this platform, right? Users can create and run crypto trading strategies on the cloud 24/7 through a drag and drop editor. So you can basically use building blocks in order to drag and drop and create your own trading strategies without having to code any of them in a cloud platform in a fully decentralized and 24/7 manner without any skills for a developer, right? Marketplace is available and allows users to choose from hundreds of strategies created by the community. So if you don't know how to create your own strategy, you can actually go to a marketplace that's within the Kryll ecosystem to get hundreds of strategies by community that's created by the community, which you can basically buy or choose and use for your own strategies, right? More experienced traders can create their own strategies with complex technical indicators such as RSI, SMA, WMA, Bollinger Bands, MACD, Ichimoku, etc. So you can create your own trading strategies using these key technical indicators and without any programming knowledge using the visual editor. So you can basically do it just by using the visual editor without having any programming languages, right? If you're an advanced trader, the KRL token is the fuel of the Kryll platform. It allows users to run strategies. So in order to interact with this ecosystem, you need to have the Kryll token or the KRL token, which is basically used to run strategies on this platform, right? So that's basically how this platform works. And with that out of the way, let's go to their website itself quickly to see what this project has for us. So if you go to kryll.io, right off the bat, you can clearly see that you can sign up and get a $7 to use the Kryll platform. It's kind of like a gift for new users. So you can use, you can register on their platform and get $7 for free to invest in this platform, right? And what they call themselves is the most powerful strategy editor With Kryll's drag and drop editor, create your own trading strategies without any coding skills. So you don't need any coding skills, as we discussed. You can drag and drop and create your own trading strategies without any need of coding skills, right? Price triggers, candlestick color, and pattern analysis, technical indicators such as MACD, Ichimoku, Bollinger, and much more. The only limit is your imagination. So you can basically create, any number of like trading patterns in order to find the best trading strategy for yourself. And if you go to their, if you scroll below, you can clearly see that this is how their platform looks like and how their user interface looks like. It may look complicated, but if you're a beginner, you can automatically go to the marketplace and choose from existing community created strategies, right? If you want to register now, you can do that and get $7 in gift, welcome gift to use this platform. So our advanced and comprehensive tool helps you make profitable trades. So they provide you with not just a good set of tools, but these tools can be used even by advanced traders, and these tools are quite comprehensive in order to help you make profitable trades. So what some of the benefits that you can get from this platform is it is a cloud computing platform where the platform runs 24/7. Turn off your computer and let Kryll do the job, so you don't have to worry about it because everything is stored on the cloud. Pro mode, TradingView integration allows you to perform powerful technical analysis. So again, if you want to integrate TradingView, you can use that in order to perform powerful technical analysis. Free backtests, so backtest your strategies free of charge without any constraints, so you can backtest it and in order to see if your trading strategy is working. No subscription, pay for what you use. Backtests are free and unlimited, so you only pay for what you use. That you pay in the form of KRL tokens, and you only basically have to worry about paying for what you want to use. Backtests are free and unlimited, right? Security, Kryll connects directly to your exchanges. API withdrawal rights are not required. So you can use Kryll to connect directly with any of the exchanges that you want to use, and API withdrawal rights are not required. Fully responsive, so choose and run strategies from your smartphone or tablet. So you have the option of using either your tablet or smartphone to run strategies without having to worry about anything, right? So those are some of the main benefits of the Kryll platform. Here are some of the testimonials which I suggest you guys to go through in order to get an idea of what people think when they use this platform. And if you scroll below, you can clearly see trade on your favorite exchanges. So this lets you connect with your favorite exchanges, which includes Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, Liquid, KuCoin, Kraken, Binance US, HitBTC, and FTX as well. So these are all some of the most reputed exchanges, and you can link Kryll directly with that, right? They trust us. So if you see, Coinbase obviously has invested in this project, and that's one of the reasons why they listed this token earlier on, and they are also like making this token available as a part of the Coinbase custody platform. And even Binance is trusting this platform. Changely, Vault.io, FTX, Liquid, Coconut, as well as KuCoin. So all of these reputed places are trusting this platform. And if we scroll below, Kryll on your smartphone, so you can clearly find options to download Kryll directly on your smartphone by logging on to download the app here. And you can also find Kryll, that Kryll is being spoken about in the news as well. And if you scroll below, you can clearly see their social media information along with other information about their documents, products and testimonials and so on and so forth, right? So overall, this is a very comprehensive platform that can definitely benefit both beginner as well as advanced traders. So going back to the coin market cap page for this token is currently ranked 658 by market cap and coin market cap, and is currently trading at 91 cents per token at the time I'm making this video, with about 2.62% increase in the past 24 hours, right? So I think it seems like this token, obviously after the Coinbase custody announcement, which basically allows for institutional investors to buy these tokens in large volumes, this token is starting to pump. So it seems like there's already institutional traction, and people are obviously buying this token in anticipation of a huge institutional investor buying this token up in large volumes, which will also increase the price of this token, right? But it seems like the increase is quite nominal and not too great. And the market cap of this token is only $34.8 million. So obviously with such a low market cap and such huge potential, if an institutional investor were to buy a lot of this token from Coinbase custody, their purchase could definitely impact the price of this token, which is probably what we are seeing right now, right? And if we take a look at the supply itself, this token doesn't have a max supply, which is quite sad, but it does have a total token supply and circulating supply of 38.134 million tokens. So again, it already has like 38 million tokens and 49 million tokens in total supply. It doesn't have a cap, which is obviously like not a good thing for this project. I would like to see tokens that have a max supply and the token kind of being a fixed token with a fixed supply, which obviously is not the case with Kryll. But I do believe that depending on usage and depending on how many people choose to use the Kryll platform, there will be a lot of attention to this token, because a lot of interest and attention will definitely push the price of this token upwards, even though it doesn't have a max supply. But a max supply would have definitely helped contribute to the scarcity portion of this token, right? But that's probably one of the biggest negatives of this project. When you go to the price patterns itself, again, the fact that this token didn't have a max supply or cap obviously meant that people who were hodling this token or buying this token or were probably dumping it relentlessly. If you see, the token literally didn't move in price until very recently. The token price was 7 cents as of 2018. It was pretty much somewhere between 4 to 7 cents, or even sometimes 3 to 2 cents per token throughout 2018 and 2019, and even 2020. The token obviously crossed the first milestone of being worth 10 cents per token, and then it was somewhere around 13 to 15 cents per token throughout 2020. But then during early 2021, the token went from 26 cents to an all-time high of 64 cents before crashing down to a price of 22 cents. But after that, this token started moving really, really hard, because it went from literally nothing, like 20 cents or 21 cents, to an all-time high of close to $4.50 per token before crashing down to a price of 81 cents, and now currently is going to 91 cents again, right? So I think this token, obviously, if you had held this token since 2018, then kudos to you. You would have probably made some really good gains, even though these gains seem to be quite short-lived. These are gains that will be, depending on how much volume of tokens you hold, you probably would become a millionaire by now. But if you haven't sold the token, it's still a good price to sell this token at, because if you had held it from 2018 and 2019, you would have bought it at probably less than 10 cents per token, right? But now it seems like the token is quite high. Even if it's significantly far away from its all-time highs, I would still say that this price is quite high and unsustainable. So I'd probably suggest you to wait till this token goes below the 50 cents mark, which will probably be the floor price of this token, right? But I think this is also a token that has only pumped once in a major way. So you may want to be a little careful, because it seems like the tokenomics is kind of pushing this token in such a way that this token hasn't pumped consistently. So if you buy this token at a quite high price right now, you may be hodling on to it for a very long time, because this token doesn't seem to be a fast mover. So that's something that you need to take into consideration, right? When it comes to the Bitcoin comparative, obviously this token has been making a little bit of ups and downs in the Bitcoin comparative compared to dollar comparative. The token was worth 1066 satoshis as of 2018, and it was moving up and down. I think the initial all-time high of this token, which was during the mid of 2019, was close to 3,211 satoshis per token before it crashed back down to 550 satoshis and moved to sideways, and it was going up and down every once in a while. But it only started moving really hard when the token went from 524 satoshis to an all-time high of close to 8,000 satoshis per token before crashing down, and now it's currently worth 2,091 satoshis, right? So I think even in the Bitcoin comparative, if you buy this token at this price point, you're going to lose a lot of money, because this token is obviously like quite high even after it has jumped significantly from its previous all-time high. I would still not buy this token at this price point. If you want to buy this token, I would buy this token maybe somewhere below the 1,500 or 1,000, 1,100 satoshis mark, which will probably be a good opportunity to buy this token. But if you are buying this token right now, you are going to be holding this token for quite some time, right? When it comes to the markets itself, obviously this token is listed on Coinbase. It's also available on KuCoin and Gateio, and it's also available on Liquid, but I wouldn't really go below Gateio. Gateio is a really good exchange, and maybe if you don't have that exchange, you can use the referral link in order to sign up, right? But I think Coinbase and KuCoin and Gateio provide the most liquidity for this token, right? What's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token definitely has a good potential for short-term and long-term traders. I wish that this token had a max supply, therefore, making it a scarce token. But the factor that it lacks that is definitely making me concerned about this project, because that probably is one of the main reasons why the token hasn't really pumped until very recently, right? And I'm worried that if I buy this token, there will be a lot of chances where this token won't be pumping, and I have to hold this token for a few months or even a year or even more than a year before I can see a return on my investment, right? So I think this is definitely a good project, but with poor tokenomics, which is making this token quite unvaluable at times. And it's a very risky token, because if you put a lot of money on this token at this price point, you will probably not be getting a good return until maybe like in 2 to 3 years from now, right? So you need to definitely pay attention to that. So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token can definitely perform well in the short term if it has some form of volatility, because it's been flat for quite some time. I think in the long run, I think the fact that it doesn't have a cap is going to be like a very big hindrance in the growth of this token. I think this token definitely has a potential to cross its previous all-time high, but it's going to be very difficult and very hard, because it seems like the previous all-time high was because of the price manipulation, which caused like a pump and dump of this token, right? Again, before you leave this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you use the link in the referral in the description below, you can basically sign up to a Gateio account and not only get access to really good quality crypto gems before they hit the major exchanges, you can also get an opportunity to get a rebate of trading rebate of 30%, right? And if you use the link in the description, you will also be supporting the channel. Remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.